think about your first car meet right now? Hey, what's good, my people? Today, I'm just bringing Chance to his first car meet, bruh. Oh, shit. You see that shit? Look at her review. That shit hard. Come on, we gotta go see the action, bruh. Damn, we always too late to this shit, bruh. What you think about your first car meet right now?
I heard a lot less than me.
Oh, you can't be saying that, bruh. What you think about the car?
That's how I heard my first car.
What that mean? Alright, we gotta sit down here. Where I don't wanna go. What we cutting it? Cut! Ooh, shit. Pull on that door handle for $10. Ooh. Excuse me.
Pop the hood so I know it's real.
What?
Set up to the skates. They be
Oh, what that is? I wanna see it.
They put them blues up. I'm telling you. I got the tools.
You got the tube? I wanna see if we can see the interior. I'm gonna ask. First off, how you doing? You doing alright?
Yeah,
I'm doing good. I was trying to see if I could record the interior. Thank you so much, man. That's just nice.
How much is gonna cost?
Ain't as much as you think.
You need the whole thing?
How much you think?
1,500 for the whole series.
The interior is about $2,000. Yeah. By itself. Well, I want to get the subs too. This is nice. Wait, if I get subs in my shit, that's gonna boil my warranty.
Them folks actually be having nice cars.
Car me been pretty good lately, bro. If I still had this job, I would not be at this hard right now.
I ain't gonna lie, the new just not bad. That actually folds with like the head.
I like the style of it. That's how it is. I know what I want to say. As much as I hate Mustang, do you know how hard it was for me to just witness that, bro?
Now you had to stand right there.
I had the best seat in the house. Man, my seat was better than the actual driver.
God damn, he got some meat on his shit.
Damn.
Yeah,
I gotta ask this question, bro. Hey, what he doing with all that ass? I got a question, bro. What you doing with all that ass right there, bro? What's that for, bro?
That's the whole ground.
We missing out, huh? Bro. Bro, he always playing the same song. He play the same song, you know what I'm saying? He pull up. Bro, he trying to teach you and you trying to light skin, man, bro. You trying to learn, bro.
What you say?
What the? Bro, hell nah. What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
I don't know.
Roll your window. You too late. You already on it.
Fuck!
You already on it. It's too
Fuck!
late. You already on it.
Fuck!
Let's go.
Fuck!
Let's go, nigga.
Pose for the camera, bitch ass nigga.
You want us to hit it, man? Finally. Look at that nigga with a big ass car. Chance got in the aura just by being here, bro.
I'm gonna get right here.
They don't got flying shoes.
You mentioned it, bro. You mentioned it, bro.
Oh shit, my bad. That hoe sounds great. Chance got an aura about a second, boy.
What?
You got an aura about a second?
What you mean?
You don't know what aura is? That's great. Man, boy, this was the wrong one for them to miss out. Hey, Vince is an energetic bet, boy. And Chance. What are you waiting for? I don't know, something amazing, I guess. Alright, my people, side quest is complete. That sounds crazy. Right here. Ooh.